Years back, there bloomed a beautiful rose in the garden. All admired its beauty. One day, "What a beautiful rose! I feel lost in its beauty, texture, and unique fragrance," said passerby. Rose began to ponder over these words uttered in amazement.
If I am a creature can be so charming, how amiable the Creator who created me in His own image will be. I wish to be encircled by His gracious presence.
Then Rose began her journey in search of her Creator, and on the way, she encounters a little girl who was fascinated by her beauty.
Wow! It's a beautiful rose. Let me pluck it and keep it in my hair.
Oh no, please don't pluck me. I am in search of my Creator, but please show me the way.
What will you give me if I show you the way?
I have nothing else to offer you except the soft, pretty petals of mine.
With the pain and joy of losing herself, she gives a petal to the girl and moves ahead in the direction toward God. There comes a child who looks at the rose.
Oh God, I got to give a surprise gift to my mama for her birthday party. This rose is wonderful and pleasing gift for her.
Please, darling, don't cut me. I am on my way to see my Creator. Please do help me in my search.
What will you give me if I show you the way?
I have only my soft, pretty petals which I can offer you.
Again, with a great desire to meet God, Rose happily gives her velvety petals to the child and travels to God. Then Rose happens to meet a woman.
This rose is a fitting one for my attractive vase. Let me pluck it. That will be an oft design in my room.
Have compassion on me, dear, and don't pluck me, because I want to see my Creator.
What's that to me? I want you.
I will give my smooth petal, but do not take me away, please.
The rose offered one more petal to her and continued her journey. At a particular spot, unable to continue her journey, Rose stops, sobbing and overcome with the deep pain in her heart.
If I continue to give myself, I will be disfigured and bygone. Will I ever reach you, my Creator, before I vanish?
God replied,
My beloved, you are my image, created in my likeness. You are the reflection of my beauty and grandeur. You have demonstrated your beauty by your self-emptying love, generosity, conviction, determination, and goodwill without counting the cost. Even though it was painful, never lose heart. I am your creator, and I will walk with you to all that you dream and hope for. The message God gives to you and each one of us on your birthday is that we are created in His image and likeness for the greater purpose of losing ourselves and adding beauty to the lives we encounter and live with. On this day, we thank God for you and wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you.